Hey guys, here am I at the farm store looking for seed so to plant in my small garden. But these are all that they have for now. So here I have cabbage. So I'm gonna take this cabbage here. They have eskellion, which is spring scallion. So I'm gonna take one pack of this as well. They have carrot. So I'm gonna take this carrot as well. I have already have corn, so I don't want the corn. So this is what they have for now. There they have different water shoes. Yes, water boot. Love the water boot there. Yes, different colors. Water boot. And the price here. There they have the black ones. Yeah. So here is a farm store. Price of water boot. Chick font. Yes. So this is the chicken. Yes, the chicken container here that they feed from. Yeah. White bird, yeah. Thing here, machete. Yes. Scissors to trim your plant, the garden. Here they have the fork to dig up your garden, the soil there. Yeah. Oh, it is. And this is what the gentleman told me, guys. I should use and water my vegetable as soon as they start to grow. Quick start with seaweed extract. 2 tablespoons to the amount of water I should use. Yes. So it is a quick starts with seaweed extra liquidizer or liquidizer. Yes, liquidizer there. They have water bottle here as well. Yes. So this place here, this farm store here is in Portmore Pines, Jamaica. So if you're in the Portmore Pines area, you can come down so to get your garden product. Yeah. Machete. Wow. The rake. Yeah, the rake. Yeah. And for your flower garden, you they have nice colorful woods. The landscape mulch. Yes, landscape mulch for your garden. Yes, mulch in different colors. Yeah. Yeah, so wide variety of things here in the farm store for your pets. and your garden. So if you're in the Portmore area, Pines, you can come down and get your farm store, not farm store, but your garden supplies, your pet supplies, germination soil. Woo! Here they have some pets over here, guys. Wow, what kind of pet is this? Wow, what pet? Listen, what kind of pet is this, love? Amster? Amster. Wow. So these are amster, guys. Look at them. Baby amster. Ooh, look at them. So cute, guys. If you're in the Portmore area and you want hamster, yes, you're a love of hamsters, you may come down to Portmore Pines. Yes, in the Portmore Pines here at the farm store, that's where you get the hamster. So cute. Yes. As well as parrot, guys. Wow, look at them. Look how cute they are. Hi. Hey. Hello. Hi, sir. Guys. Say hi to the camera. Hey. Hey. Oh, you guys look so serious. And these are the mulch. Yes, Summerland Escape mulch for your garden. Yes, parrot feeds. Rabbit feeds as well. Rabbit biter. Yeah.
Tracy. Tracy.
Look at these guys. So cute. So cute, guys.
We never see you.
Wow.
Yes, man.
Alright, later.
Alright.